Hi guys, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're looking at one of my long-term companions, the Vantrue N2 Pro. I'm going to show you daytime footage that led to a very bad accident and got our 718 Cayman totaled. I'm going to show you also nighttime footage. The menu is easy and self-explaining, although I'm not a fan of the layout of the buttons. The camera is attached to a suction cup, and that has one disadvantage, especially here in Florida. When it gets too hot, it sometimes just comes loose and falls off. It's very easy to make adjustments with the camera, and also the interior cam you can rotate up and down, and it's easy to get it in the right angle. If you're using only the front camera, you can record in up to 2K. If you're using both cameras, front and interior cam, then you're recording in 2x 1080p. I'll also leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below, and if you would use one of my links to purchase any dash cam, it wouldn't cost you anything extra, but I would make some money back, and that would certainly help me and my channel to grow, to purchase other products, and I would really appreciate it. Schon, ne? Ja, 128 genau. Das ist Meilen. Ja, genau. Hier ist 123 und dann nochmal 5 Meilen weit ist 128. Dann müssen wir raus. Dann, ja, warte, ich muss kurz telefonieren. Hallo Darren. Okay, fahr links ran. Warnblinkanlage. Darren, we have a little accidents. Darren, I call you later. Oh mein Gott, Warnblink. Ist schlecht. Aus, Musik aus. Was war das?
Das war irgendwas auf der Straße und der rechte Rad ist rein.
Shit. Okay, relax, relax, relax.
Ist dir gut?
Ja, ja.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Just so you know what was going on, there was a towing winch in the middle of the I-75 with a metal base, the towing strap and a metal hook. Although to the naked eye the accident did not look too bad, we had our rims ripped in pieces, but underneath the damage was so bad, even the frame was damaged and the estimated repair amount was over $43,000, and that led the insurance to declare our car totaled. And now a little poem. I certainly like the quality of the Vantrue N2 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this. Stay safe, take care, and bye for now.